Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello, hi, and welcome back to another video with Call Me Jessy. In today's video, as you can read by the title, I am gonna be threading my upper lip. I was gonna say lower lip, but this is upper lip. Mainly like this whole area, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. Also, if you haven't watched my previous video where I exposed my face showing all my imperfections for you guys on the camera, I'm gonna leave somewhere the video above. You better check it out, because literally that is like the most grossest video I've ever filmed. Anyways, that is, I mean, it's satisfying for some, it's not satisfying for some. So if you're one of them who like watching like satisfying videos, because I've shaved my face in front of you guys, do check that video out. So getting back to the video, so a little bit about my story. Well, I started this almost like 10 years ago. Yeah, nearly 10 years ago. First I used to wax my upper lip, literally all this area, and I used to thread my eyebrows, but I used to get it done in the salon. But I used to wax my upper lip, my lower lip, and the chin area. I've been doing that for quite some time. I used to have this small little wax melting machine, and I used to just apply it and then remove it, just like how you wax. So yeah, I used to have that. I used that for quite some time now, like maybe good 2-3 years, and then I was told that your skin gets saggy because you literally pull your skin out. Also, your skin gets dark because of the hot wax which you use. So I stopped using that, and I used to get my lips threaded. And then I thought to myself, I was like, why not try this at home? I watched a couple of tutorials on YouTube, and I was like, oh, it's quite simple, and all you need is a thread. So I was like, why not? So I've always been threading my lips. I always have a thread in my bag as well, just in case, like if any, like I see any hair, and if I'm out somewhere and if I don't like it, I just sort of thread it out. Anyways, growing up, I always had like really thick, you know, I had unibrows and I had mustache. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put a picture somewhere just for you to see how before and after looks like. I did my eyebrows today, and now I'm gonna do my threading for you. I'm gonna do my upper lips for you guys to see. So without further ado, let's get started. So all you need is a clean face and a thread. So basically I used to use the one which you used to sew with, just a normal thread, and then I started getting this one. This is usually the one which are used to do your eyebrows in the salon. You can find them, or you can find them in any grocery stores, I believe, or any like supermarkets. They're easily available anywhere. So yeah, so if I can read this is by Coats. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is by Coats, and I believe this is 300 meter cotton thread. So I don't know how long is this gonna come for, many years. Anyways, this is not the normal thread. So all you have to do is, so hold it straight and up till your elbow, all you have to do. And it has a bit of like thing to cut as well. If you can see, there is this cut to cut the thread, so it comes handy. You don't have to do it with your teeth. So this is it. This is how the length should be for the thread, and all you have to do is tie a knot for it. And then once you have this, you can cut a bit bigger as well, and then sort of turn this 8 times, and then you should be able to have something like this. So just try it on your legs or somewhere where it is easy, or when you can try at first before sort of trying it on your skin. And now, as you can see, the hair on my upper lip and my lower lip and my chin has grown, so we're gonna thread it. So now what you're gonna do is, this is the smaller side, so get the larger side towards the hair, So as you can see, I've got the hair in here. So continue doing that. So anywhere where you can't get your hair, just do something like this. I don't know how to explain that, but just put your tongue in your mouth. That's a weird sort of way to say, but yeah, let me demonstrate that for you. And after a few times your thread will age out, so try to get a new thread out and do the exact same thing. And guys, now that I've done my upper lip and my lower lip and a bit of my chin area, I can't really get all of my hair out on my chin just because some of them are a bit tough and I can't really thread on my sort of this part of the area. So what I use is the epilator. So basically this one, I'm gonna link it down for you guys. This is the Brown Silk Epil 7, and usually I use this one because it properly removes all the hair out. So this one you can use on your hand as well to remove your hand hair. I usually used to get this done, but it is a bit of time consuming and it depends on how much growth you have. So I use this one to remove the hair from here. So I'm gonna show that to you guys. Now that I have obviously taken the hair out, what I'm gonna do is just take a mirror and just kind of see if I've got any hair left. So usually what I do is on the chin area I'll have them small pokey hair out, like them small tiny ones which are just coming out now. So I'll usually use just a plucker and just remove them, pluck them out. But I don't think I've got any hair apart from like little tiny ones which are just coming out, so which I can't really, like, it's just like a small dot, so I can't really pluck them out. I need to let them come out still. It looks like my epilator has done most of the job. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is just get an ice cube and sort of rub around the areas where I've removed the hair, just sort of to calm the skin down, just because obviously it is burning a bit because I've removed the hair. So because obviously you remove them out from the root, not from like shaving. Yeah, so just sort of like to calm the skin down. So and guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you have come this far, don't forget to smash that like button. I'm literally signing off with a red face, I can't even imagine that. And if you have enjoyed this video and if you would like to share with anyone who wants to thread, don't forget to share this video, because now that we are in lockdown, I mean obviously you can do this at home with very minimum effort. So yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. So don't forget to also hit the comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't yet. So I'll see you guys next time. Hasta la vista.